Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shahzad Tech. In this video I am going to teach you how to fix Messenger is not working on iPhone or Messenger login error on iPhone. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. There is many method to solve this issue. First method is restart your device. This is a common way to fix any problem on iPhone. So just simply tap on settings. Here you can see general, scroll down and you can see shutdown, tap on it. Here you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be turned off. After 15 to 20 seconds, turn it on back to fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is update your iOS device. So tap on settings, again tap on general and you can see software update. If you have any pending update, just simply tap on download and install it to fix your problem. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is log out your account from Facebook and again logged in to fix your Messenger login error. So firstly you can log out your account from Facebook and then logged in and try Messenger. So if this solution is not working, then you move to another is update the Messenger app. So just simply tap on App Store. Here you can search Messenger, tap on it. Here you can see Messenger is up to date. If you have any update, download and install it to fix Messenger login error. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is reset the all settings only without losing any data. So just simply tap on settings, again tap on general, scroll down, transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and now you can see reset all settings. Tap on it, enter your passcode. Now you can see reset all settings. Tap on this red reset all settings and reset the settings and fix your problem. If all this solution is not working, then we go to the nearest Apple store to fix login error to on your iPhone. So guys, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.